for the green card holder when you come back to the US after your vacation. What is the requirements that you need to present in the Philippine immigration and also to the US immigration. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Travel Discoveries. Hello. So today's topic, as we will discuss about what should you present in the immigration when you enter in the US. So this is all about, guys, for those green card holders that you visit in your home country and after that you wanted to come back again. Okay, so this is our topic for today. For those who never know about me, so I went to the US for a Q1 visa. And then I got married to my fiancé. Right now is my husband. Last December 3, 2022. So we have already 1 year. So after 1 year, guys, I decided to visit Philippines, my home countries, to visit my family, of course, my parents and relatives. So we stay there, guys, for 4 months. So you know that if you are a green card holder, you are not allowed to go out in the United States for more than 6 months. So for me, I stay outside the US for 4 months. So guys, don't forget to watch my video about what is the requirements if you going to the Philippines. Okay, if what documents that you need to present in the Philippine immigration. Okay, so I have a video for that, so don't forget to check it out so that you will understand, because that is connected right now in this video. So right now this video is all about when you come back for the green card holder, when you come back to the US after your vacation, what is the requirements that you need to present in the Philippine immigration and also to the US immigration or the border protection. Okay. So for me, guys, as I said, we visit in the Philippines for 4 months and then after that we come back. So I am a green card holder. I bring it only, guys, is my passport and also my round trip ticket, also our marriage certificate, guys. So for me, because we are get married in the US, so when I visit in the Philippines, I decided to renew or change my status in my passport. So I changed there, and also I get also the copy of my marriage certificate in the PSA. So we have a copy too. So when during the time that we come back now to the US, so the first thing that I present on the Philippines immigration is passport and also my green card. So that's I show it to them in the ticketing area when you check in, guys. For me, because the airlines that we book is Philippine Airlines from Iloilo to Manila, and from Manila to US is Asiana Airlines. Okay, so we have 3 connecting flights. So when we check in the Ninoy International Airport, Terminal 1, so the first thing that you need to do is to check in, right, in your airlines. So that's the one I show to the airline office, my passport and also my green card and my booking, my tickets. So and then we have a problem there, guys, because remember I told that I changed my status. Because when I travel, I use my old passport that was single. And then when I come back, I use my married name. So there's a problem there, guys, because the airlines, they have a confusion no, because I changed into single into married, so I use my, so that there is no problem, guys. I show also my old passport and my new passport, but they told me that they can let me in, but it depends for the other connecting flights if they let me in, because the name in my ticket is my single status, which is my last name when I was single, and then in my new passport is my married name, and my last name. Okay, so every time that I get in, guys, I show my two passports, the old and the new. Okay, so maybe there's some others you the same with me. That you need to do, guys, is to present your old passport as well as your new passport. So when I get in now in the Philippine immigration, everything is okay. But when I reach in the immigration officer, everything is okay, guys. They check my passport, my green card. Okay, everything is okay, but they are looking for me for a e-travel. So guys, that is the number one. Also, don't forget, before you travel, I never know it. That's why it's a hassle for me. Before you enter in the airport, you need to register through online, okay, in the etravel.com. But if you didn't know, for example, like me, that I never know anything, so you can register also there in the airport. There is a place there that they have a computer, or there is also an officer who will assist you. They will help you how to register through online. So it's so fast only, guys. So for me, because I don't have nothing to show it, so I go out again and go to the place where you can register, and after that I go back again. But when we enter again, different immigration officer, so in my second immigration officer, they never asked that for me. But in the other officer, the first time, he asked it for me, guys, the copy of the, or the screenshot of your e-travel registration. So don't forget, guys, you need to register to the etravel.gov in the website, in their website, okay? But if you cannot do it, you can do it also in the airport. It's so faster only, okay? So don't you worry. So that's it only they are asking in the Philippines immigration. And then we reach in the stopover is Incheon International Airport. So again, I was so worried because the name in my ticket is my single name, and then new passport is my married name. So the same what I did, guys, when I enter in the scanning and also in the officer, I show only my old passport and my new passport, and also my plane ticket. So it's good because they never say anything, they accept it. So the last when I enter now to the Los Angeles International Airport, so again I was so scared again because I said maybe there is a problem again, but anything is goes well. So there, when you reach in the US immigrations, guys, is there is a line. So again, for the non-US citizen, you have different line, and also for the green card holder, different line, and also for the US citizen is different also. It's good because I am with my husband. So when the officer saw that I'm with my husband, she asked me if we are together. I said yes. So they said, okay, go with him. So much faster, guys. So I go with my husband. I didn't go in the line of the green card holder. So I go with the US citizen holder. So, and then when we reached in the officer, I told to my husband, maybe it's we are separate, you know, we're not together, but my husband, no, you need to go with me so that there is no problem. There's no problem, because if you separate with me, maybe they will ask you for more. So that's we did, guys. You know, during that time of my husband, I go with him. We are together in the officer, and then we said good morning, and we give our passports together. And then my husband said that I'm traveling with my wife. And then the officer asked me where is my green card. So I give my green card, guys. And then he was checking on the computer. And it's so long, that's why. So he asked me to check my fingerprints, this one. So I put there in the fingerprints. So he checked my fingerprints, and then so fast, guy. I saw there in the computer all my details, everything is there. So that's it only. And then he didn't say anything, and then he said, okay, have a good day. There is no other questions, guys. No, I am so very lucky, I guess, because I'm together with my husband. But if maybe if I am alone, maybe they have more questions, no? So again, if you are traveling alone without your husband, you need to prepare, especially your, the questions. Maybe they will ask you, I don't know, but for me, they never ask anything. So just prepare your passport, your tickets, and also your green card. Okay, so that's it, only based on my experience. That's it only, guys. I hope this video can give you some information what to do if you are traveling, especially if you are a green card holder that you visit in other country and it's time for you to entry again in the US. You need to be prepared. Okay, so that's it, only the documents that you are asking is your passport, round trip ticket, and your green card. Okay, so that's it only. So I hope you learn again in this video. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe and also share to your friends so that if they have the same situation, so we can give some information and tips what to do. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Okay, so if you have some any question, don't forget to comment down below in my description box, and I will assure you guys that I will answer as soon as. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.